You sleep 8 hours, but you still feel tired. Why? Because sleep is not the only thing that drains you. There are two types of tired: physical tiredness and mental exhaustion. Most people today are not physically exhausted. They are mentally overloaded. Your brain makes thousands of decisions every day. What to check, what to answer, what to watch, what to worry about. This constant stimulation drains your mental energy. Social media, notifications, endless scrolling. Your brain never rests, even when your body does. Another reason is decision fatigue. The more small decisions you make, the weaker your focus becomes. By the end of the day, your brain is tired, not your muscles. Stress is another hidden factor. Even low-level stress keeps your brain in alert mode. And alert mode consumes energy. So what can you do? First, reduce unnecessary decisions. Plan your day the night before. Second, limit constant stimulation. Turn off non-essential notifications. Third, take real breaks, not scrolling breaks, quiet breaks. Your brain needs silence, not more input. You are not lazy, you are overloaded. Fix the overload and your energy returns.